let's say we want to buy a stack. First of all, we have to click the magnifying lens in the top right here. Let's say we want to buy Apple, so you simply type Apple. Then there's Apple. So right now, let's say I wanted to buy um, Rogers stock. So I put in Rogers. So that's here, Rogers Communication Incorporated. Click it here. Then there you go. Then I push the buy button. Then they're gonna ask you how many shares of RCI, that's Rogers, do you want to buy? Let's say one, it says $59. Two, and two, it says $119. You, you can buy as much as you want as long as you have the money. Let's say I want to buy one share. Then I continue. Then confirm order. Now we're going to wait a little bit. Just one pending order, $59. Now, while we are waiting, what about US stocks? So let's say I want to buy Uber stock. So it's here, Uber. We press that, then buy button. How many shares do you want to buy? You can buy one. It says here 27.33 or two, 54.66. Let's say I wanted to buy two shares. Continue. Oh, not enough funds. So let's say I want to buy one share. Then it's going to cost me $39 if I wanted to buy it now. So let's say I want it. Here we go. So what happened to Rogers? Here we go. We already own it. We own one share of Rogers. We bought it for $59.40. And that's how you buy a stock. Now, what about selling a stock? So it's very simple. From the home page, you just want to select what you want to sell for. So this is what we own for, Uber and Rogers in here. Let's say we want to sell Rogers stock. So you press that, then sell. How many shares of RC Rogers do you want to sell? Let's say one share because that's all we own. Then continue. Then are you okay with 15.83? Yeah, good with that. Sending order. That's that. It's very simple. Then let's say we want to sell our Uber shares. It depends on you whether you want to hold it for 3 days, one week, or a couple of years. But let's say I want to sell it now, holding for 2 minutes. So so you click Uber, then sell. Then how many shares of Uber? One, because that's all we have. Continue. Confirm order. Then there we go. And then as you can see, we have already sold the Rogers. It's only a matter of time when we're going to sell our Uber shares. So if you click to the personal here, so as you can see, the Uber and Rogers is gone. That means we already sold it. So activity, these are activities. We bought Rogers here 59.40 and sell Rogers 59.32. It tells you your history, your buy and sell history, right? So that's how you buy and sell stocks on Wealthsimple.